Hello, welcome to Santuário Lunar. In this video I'm going to do the weekly tarot reading for the last week of 2024 and also the first week of 2025. We have a mixed week this week. Before we start, I'd like to know how was your last week. We saw in the last reading that you would probably receive a lot of help, but in the middle of this help there could be someone trying to control you or trying to have some advantages. Did you have these? We also saw in the last reading that there could be a potential breakup or the end of something. Did you have this week too? Tell me in the comments below. And before we start too, I'd like to tell you about Bungle's campaign. We are still doing. We have more than 20% now, and if you haven't donated yet, you can donate now. For every $3 you donate, you receive one lucky number, and by the end I will give away several tarot readings. The first winner is going to get 12 private tarot readings, the second winner is going to get 6, and the third winner is going to get 3. So do check the details in my pinned comment below. Visit my Ko-fi page for freebies to support me and to enter this campaign too. Thank you so much. So let's go. This week, for the past, I have the Two of Cups reversed. And the Two of Cups reversed indicates some kind of disappointment. Disappointment with anything. Could be a relationship, could be a job partnership, could be with a situation, with life, anything. There was some kind of disappointment. If you experienced that breakup last week, it can be this probably. So think about what was the most recent disappointment you had, and then this energy is going to influence this week. But it's in a positive way, because this week I have the Ace of Swords, and the Ace of Swords indicates the total understanding of a situation, complete wisdom. So when the swords appear in this tarot, the swords indicates intelligence and the ability to understand things. And the Ace of Swords is the ability to fully understand a situation. And imagine that if it was a war, you would get this sword and use it to attack and to destroy doubts, destroy insecurities and confusion. So it's a week of understanding, complete understanding. It's a very positive week. By the end of the week, I have the Nine of Swords reversed. And the Nine of Swords is an excellent card when it comes reversed. It indicates nightmares, worries, turbulence, difficult to sleep, and all the bad aspects that can take over our mind. But in a reversed position, it indicates that all these bad aspects, they are fading away, they are disappearing. So according to the reading, this disappointment we had recently now becomes pure understanding of the situation, and we can use this sword, this Ace of Swords, to understand more things and to clarify everything. Thanks to this, all these worries, all these nightmares, all these problems in our mind, they tend to start disappearing. It's an excellent way to start the year if you think so. No problems or less problems in the mind. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend you to watch my video about the shadow aspect, our shadow, how to deal with it. I'll leave in the pinned comment too. I'll leave the link there. So go there and watch in case you haven't watched it yet. Now for the advice, or the overall view of this reading, I have a strange message, which is Inanna reversed. Inanna is an excellent card, but reversed, it shows that there can be some thoughts, some negative thoughts about ourselves, some questions, some doubts that are not necessary, like am I capable of doing these? Am I worth of these? All these types of questions, that we used to have when we are bad. So if these types of questions start appearing during this week because of that disappointment situation, don't allow them to take over your mind. Remember, use the wisdom you gain, use the intelligence you have now, all the information you have now to clarify things. So if you feel like that, try to get out of that. That's why I recommend, again, if you haven't watched my video about the shadow aspect, go there and watch. And if you have watched it already, watch it again in case you don't remember. It's going to help you. So that's it. It's an excellent way to start the year, if you think. An excellent reading, an excellent week. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you really did, please, in case you're not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel, leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with other people. Thank you so much. See you.